In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use profanity filters in Taggbox. First, log into your Taggbox dashboard and open the social feed you want to moderate. Inside Moderation section is where you can review and manage all incoming posts. Now, click on the filter icon inside the moderation panel and scroll down until you find the sentiment section. Here, you can enable the negative sentiment settings to quickly identify posts that may include profanity, offensive language, or negative content. Once enabled, Taggbox will help surface those posts so you can easily review and manage them before they appear publicly on your feed. You can then choose to make those posts private, keep them public, or delete them completely depending on your moderation preferences. You can also use the search bar inside moderation to specifically search for profanity or keywords, making it much faster to find and manage problematic content. This gives you more control over your feed and helps maintain a clean and brand-safe experience for your audience. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.